I think this is about round 5. The rain has kind of subsided a little bit, but this ambulance is kind of cool. Become my next favorite vehicle. I've seen it before, and it's actually for sale coming up. This is kind of cool. South District Ambulance Service. Ambulance to Bonnieville. First day for me, but my favorite car. My favorite car of the whole show, and I've seen before. This is my car coming up right here, ladies and gentlemen. Right here. I did a short on this. It's just a comment. Oh, I'd buy it. Oh my god, if I could. Oh, it is gorgeous. 63 Mercury Comet for sale. That's for Don. 651-308-7515. Oh, always my fave. This is. Oh, it's well worth it. A little extra look. It's gorgeous. I saw one for sale here a while ago, a couple of years ago. It needed work on, but this thing is gorgeous. Yep, Mercury Comet, man. Oh, Don, I'll just someone steal it, man. Gorgeous. I'd steal that car right there. That thing's nice. That's beautiful. Love that car. That one, no, that one had the Comet's nice. This is not, that Comet's nice. That's a big boat right there. It's kind of a cool car. What is this? Another Falcon. Nice. Very nice. Ford Falcon. So that's that sister for that one over there, the Mercury. Right here. Nice. Very, very nice. That's beat up. It's still kind of cool. Little body work on that bad boy. Here's this bad boy. 53 Dodge. Nice. Yeah, it rains the side a little bit. I could have went with my microphone under here, but I just didn't trust it. Just didn't want to do it. Open mic is open mic. That's the way it is. That's not unsafe at any speed, right? Remember that? A grocery getter, they call that. Very nice. They're all over the place. I'm just trying to keep myself kind of going here. People are trying to come out now because it's up raining, so there'll be more crowd out here. It's a nice car over there. Very nice. Riviera, Tweed. Wow, that's a Studebaker. It's a wagon. Yeah, I'm glad I came. Glad I came. I didn't chicken out when it was raining out. I'm glad I came along. Glad I did. There's tons of them over here. That's a cool one right there. Another nice wagon coming up here. These are classics. All the old wagons are. Ooh, sleds on top. He's from Arizona. Chevrolet. My goodness. Nice. For sale. 612-978-3393. See, doesn't say what year it is, but cool. Like the red wagon, what do you guys think? Chev. Very nice. Kind of walk over here. Water's going down the old Mighty Mo. There's a two-door Pala right over there. That's a nice one right here. Look at this bad boy. That's cool. Malibu SF. Nice. Sweet. That's another, it's unsafe at any speed. Very nice. Another nice Impala here. Sweet. Here we got a Duster. That's a nice They want the horn. Honk your horn. They're doing the truck sign. You gotta do the car. Push, push, push. That's an old car. Old guy in it with his family. 57 Chevy 4-door. Well, you've got a nice Cadillac right there. They're just lined up here, man. There's so many of them around here. Can't get them all. Love the wagon. Chevy. Let's see what year it is. Let's say 59. Very nice. Go loving out. Cutlass convertible. Heck yeah. Be a fun vehicle to buy. Smooths it up a little bit.
Very close to the rock.
I like the suicide door. That's cool. Continental. That's a gangster car. That's a all kinds of fun stuff.
How you doing, sir?
Good. What's up? What year is this one?
36.
Oh my word. Iowa, huh? Whereabouts in Iowa?
North Central.
All right. Very nice. Keep it real. There it is, man. Is it leaking? That's why I thought it was leaking or something convertible. Ford. Another Ford. Nice. Oh, here's another one. This is cool. Over here. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one, okay?